Everyone wants to build the most cinematic video with AI now, but how do we direct these AI scenes just like human shooting with a camera? Here, let me show you how I direct these major scenes in AI. Let's go! Gosh, that was my usual editing night. That was 8 sets of camera keywords that covers 90% of the storytelling. Comment below if you want more.